चढ़या आओ सखियोनी वेड़ा सजया हाँ मेरा सजना मिलया सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी वेड़ा सजया मेरा सजना मिलया सजना मिलया सजना मिलया दिन शगना दा चढ़या आओ सखियोनी वेड़ा सजया हाँ मेरा सजना मिलया सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी मेरा सजना
Hi Paridhi, it's your wedding and I'm so excited to be there. Just one more day to go and कल हम मिलेंगे बहुत सारा मज़ा करेंगे for next 3 days. It's going to be so much fun and of course our would-be bride wish you all the luck और बहुत सारा enjoy करना. ये 3 दिन will be the most memorable days which you are going to spend together. And Aseem, for you, congratulations and take care of our girl and she's a really really sweet girl and उसके लिए खूब सारे गाने गाना, उसको खुश रखना and I'm going to see you tomorrow and we are going to have a ball of a time and that's it. Let's meet up tomorrow and have fun. Take care. Bye.
Hi Paridhi. Firstly, many congratulations on your big day. Today is the first day of always for the two of you and I wish you the best of everything going forward from here. Like everybody else on this video, I am extremely sorry that we were not able to make it in person. I know you would be super mad at us and I can totally imagine the kind of things that you're going to say to us, but I hope you forgive us. I had always imagined being there for you, being with you on this day, and it really hurts to be away, but I hope that all of you are having a great time. To Aseem, I would like to say hi. I really look forward to meeting you in person. But until then, I want you to know that this girl that you're marrying has a heart of gold. She's full of love. She's extremely caring and sensitive. She's one of my best friends, and now you are one of her best friends. So I hope that you take great care of her. She will take great care of you. She will always be there for you through thick and thin. So I just want to wish you guys a life full of togetherness and love. I hope that your house is filled with joy and bliss. So many congratulations again, and I hope to see you guys soon. Hope you guys have a lot of fun. Bye.
Hi Paridhi, I'm really sorry I'm not able to come and attend your wedding. I know how important this is for you, but things don't really work out like we plan most of the times. So yeah, really sorry that I'm not able to attend your wedding, but at the same time I want you to know that I am extremely happy for you Paridhi. Finally you are getting the happiness that you've always deserved. And I wish you nothing but lots of happiness and love.
Hi, Paridi Basi. How are you? How are you? How is Asim uncle? Here's wishing you and Asim uncle a very, very, very happy married life. Guys, congratulations for the beginning of a new chapter in your life. Well, I'm so sorry, but because of this chotu pataka that I've got, it is just not feasible to make it to your wedding. Well, I know Paridi Masi will be very angry. बनता भी है तेरा. I honestly don't know. I tried to make it too young, yeah. But that being said, पक्का once she completes 6 months, देखो और असीम अंकल का घर तो हम रो के परेशान करने के लिए आ जाएंगे. That is there. But till that time, I'm sure there's so much more to discover, both of you.
हाय PSG. I know तुम मुझसे गुस्सा है और बनता भी है, but I just want you to know that I really wanted to be there for your big day, and I tried very hard, but it just wasn't in my hands. But anyway, I'm so happy for you guys, and Asim, you're a hell of a lucky guy because ये लड़की ने बहुत टाइम लगाया है लड़का चूज करने में. So now that she's selected you, I'm sure you're a very special person, and I look forward to meeting you. And let me tell you, Paridhi is like Fevicol ka bond. She will never leave your side. She will always have your back. She will be with you through every thick and thin. She's the most reliable and most genuine person that I know. There's nothing pretentious about her. And she really, she gives her 200% in every relationship. She pours her heart and soul into everything she does, and she never does anything half-heartedly. And that's what makes her so special. So I'm sure she will fill your life with more love than you could have ever asked for, and she will make your house a home. And I'm sure you know कि परिधि is a great artist, तो अगर CEO को पटाना हो तो परिधि से पेंटिंग बनवा देना. And Paridhi will hate me for saying that. But I love you guys, and congratulations once again. Congratulations, Uncle, Auntie, and Paridhi and Asim. Please come to New York sometime. I would love to host y'all. And enjoy your big day. Wish you all the love and happiness, and great times to come ahead.
Congratulations on your wedding. It was a long time coming, and I am so happy that you are getting the happiness you always deserved. I think definitely Asim is a super lucky guy to have found a woman like you who's gonna keep him very happy, be very loyal, dedicated, just all in all, package. And I wish I can see a picture of you guys, what you guys, but you don't have to share too much. That's okay. All the good time. I'm sorry I can't be there on your big day, and I just have a very sudden visa situation, and I just need my life, missing all your shadis. Seriously, I loved to attend your shadi and be there to share your happiness, but I just don't know, man. I can't even apologize anymore. No excuses, but definitely they were blast. Yeah, like the last few days before your shadi. I don't know when you'll see this video, but this is just amazing. Yeah, beautiful new phase of your life. Chal, have fun then. Bye.